how to apply discount code on Shopify. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to apply a discount code on Shopify. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. First, head over to the Shopify website and log into your account. Click on the Log in with Google button if your store is linked with a Google account. Choose the correct Google account to avoid any mix-ups. Once you're inside the admin panel, ignore other tabs and scroll to the Discounts option on the left menu. Click on Create Discount. Now, select the type of discount you want, whether it's a percentage, fixed amount, buy X get Y, or free shipping. For this video, let's go with an automatic discount that applies at checkout without a code. Enter your discount name, value, and criteria like minimum order amount or selected products. Set a start and end date if you want it to be time limited. Make sure to double check the details. Then scroll down and click Save Discount. And you're done. Your discount will now apply automatically at checkout based on the conditions you've set. That's all for the video.